This movie will provide you with an introduction to the Spectrus Processor platform and some of the basic data processing capabilities it provides. This interface allows you to import data from a variety of vendors in different formats, process data using simple or advanced tools, and then report results. First, I'll demonstrate one way to import data. The Open Data panel can be displayed by clicking on the Open folder found here. You are able to create favorites or shortcuts to any folders on your computer. The first dataset I'm going to process will be a proton NMR spectrum, which I'll import along with the proposed structure by dragging and dropping into the main workspace. Pre-processing options have already taken care of the Fourier transform, phasing, and baseline correction. These tools appear once the software recognizes the data type imported. Here, I'm going to peak pick by level. This leads to integration, peak picking, and multiplet analysis for all peaks above the threshold I define. Next, I'm going to assign signals to the structure by running structure verification. Once complete, a match factor is presented and the spectrum and structure are highlighted where assignments have been made. Since I'm satisfied with the processing and analysis, I can now create a report by clicking this icon. Report templates can be configured to your needs to display any relevant information such as the structure and spectrum. Moving on to the next example, I have a processed LC-MS dataset. The structure that I imported is included in the table of components and was assigned to a signal in the chromatogram window, leading to a component mass spectrum. All of the traces and spectra displayed can be controlled via the LC-UV-MS legend. Just like before, clicking the report icon will generate a report in ChemSketch. This report can be saved, printed, or exported as a PDF. If you're interested in seeing more resources like this one, please register for access to our customer portal. Thanks for watching.